In this lesson, we will learn about cut list sorting option. Expand it. Inside this cut list folder, there are a few other subfolders are showing. Both folders name are exactly same, but length is different. That's why there are two different folders. As well as same idea for these three folders. Then the last folder which is containing this top plate. Now I want to add a end plate. Let's add it. Thickness I will go with 10 mm. And this ratio is 0. Now press OK. Now inside this cut list folder there is another new folder is added. Inside it all end plates are showing. Let's create another end plate with separate feature. I will go with exact same value 10 mm and this ratio 0. So when we are adding end plate, SolidWorks is going to detect by feature. I added all end caps by using end cap feature. If I don't use end cap feature, the story will be different. Let's verify it. Let's suppress this end cap too. Now do the exact same thing but manually. Add 10 mm thickness and press OK. Here we can see even all end plates are same, but here this is showing inside separate folder, which really I don't want, because I know that this body is exactly same body like all of this other end cap, but I created in a different way. That's why SolidWorks is not able to recognize it. So in this kind of situation, you have to use cut list sorting option. Right click and select cut list sorting options. Now you have to check this collect identical body. SolidWorks is going to detect based on geometrical shape. So if this geometrical shape match with another geometrical shape, SolidWorks is going to put all together inside one folder. Let's press OK. And here you can see that extruded boss I did manually. Now everything inside one folder because all are geometrically exactly same end plate. What will happen if I add another hole inside it? Let's add a hole. Now press OK. Here you can see because this is going to detect based on geometrically, this is geometrically different because of this hole. But in real life, when we manufacture it, normally we are going to manufacture all plate at the same time. Then inside one plate, we are going to add a hole. So in that case, still I want all of these plates inside one folder. That is possible by using cut list sorting option. Inside this sorting option, there is another option is available called faces or features to exclude. If you want to exclude any feature or face, you have to specify here. I want to exclude this extra hole. Then I want to calculate. Press OK. Now you can see SolidWorks is going to put all end caps together inside one folder because I just excluded this hole. If I exclude this hole, means all 4 end caps are exactly same. So this is really very powerful option. If you sometimes find that you cannot match all of these folder in a nice order, in that case use this cut list sorting options.